Dear students, welcome to our classes from LPM Public School situated in Gola Bazar, Gorakhpur. So students, this is your subject teacher of social study and I am here again with a remaining exercise of chapter number 14, means of transport from your textbook. So my dear students, as you know that in our previous video we had discussed about the main modes of transport with their example, and we had also done the exercise number 1 and 2 from your textbook. Now we are going to discuss about the remaining exercise of this chapter. So students, before starting the exercises, let's have a quick overview on this chapter. So my dear students, as you know that in this chapter what we learned, right, we learned the importance of transport in our lives and the different means of transport and the advantage and disadvantage of each. So students, first of all, the definition for means of transport is: means of transport are the ways by which we move people and goods from one place to another. And long ago, when none of modern means of transport were there, people had to walk long distances. And later they began using animals and then wheeled cart to carry people and goods. And there are three main modes of transport, that are land transport, water transport and air transport. So students, I hope you all are familiar with these three main modes of transport. Now we are going to discuss about the question number 3, that is choose the correct option from your textbook. So students, look here. Question number 3, choose the correct answer. So question number 1 is tongas are drawn by. So here options are horses, bullocks or camels. So my dear students, as you know that tongas are one of the land transport, and tongas are used in many parts of India. Tongas are small horse drawn carts. So it means here option number A, that is horses, is correct answer. Now let's come to the question number 2, that is elephants are used to carry goods in. So students, elephants are also one of the important means of land transport. Students, elephants are used to carry woods from the forests. That means here option number C, that is forest, is the correct answer. Now students, look at question number 3, that is the metro rail is a type of transport found in. So students, in cities people travel by bicycles, scooters, auto rickshaw, cars and buses. Some cities also have the metro rail and local train. So students, here option number B, that is city, is correct option. Now let's come to the question number 4, that is this transport people and goods across rivers and lakes. So students, these transports are called water transport, and the name of this transport is ferry. We use ferries to carry people and goods across water. So students, a ferry carries people, vehicle and goods across rivers and lake. So that means option number B, ferry, is the correct answer. Now students, let's move on to the last question, that is, this is used to rescue people in hilly areas. So students, aeroplane is used to rescue people in hilly areas. So here option number C is correct option. Now let's come to the last question exercise or last question of this chapter, that is, answer the following questions. So my dear students, here question number first is, what do you mean by means of transport? So my dear students, first of all, you will write the definition of means of transport, and after that give a few example of transport. So students, here you will write the different ways by which we move people and goods from one place to another is called means of transport. For example, car, buses, rickshaw, ship, ferry, helicopter, aeroplane, etc. So students, these are the example of means of transport. Now let's come to the question number 2, that is, in what ways are modern means of transport better than the older ones? So students, here you will compare the modern means of transport and older ones to know which means of transport is better. So students, in the answer of question number second, you will write modern means of transport is faster than older ones. Now students, let's come to the question number third, that is, what are the three main modes of transport? So students, as you know that there are three main modes of transport, that are land transport, water transport and air transport. So in the answer of question number third, you will write there are three main modes of transport. First is land transport, second water transport, and the third one, that is air transport. Now students, let's come to the question number 4. Discuss the ways in which we use animals as means of transport. So students, as you know that animals are important means of land transport. Bullock carts and tongas are used in many parts of India, and tongas are small horse drawn carts, and in desert camel are used to carry people and goods. In forests, elephants are used to carry wood, and in hilly places, mules and ponies are used as means of transport. So students, in the answer of this question, you will write animals are important means of transport. Tongas are small horse drawn cart, and bullock cart are drawn by oxen. Now students, let's come to the question number 5, that is, name the means of transport used in villages. So students, bullock carts, cycles, buses, scooters and tractors are used as means of transport in villages. So in the answer of fifth question, you will write bullock cart, tongas, elephants, mules and ponies are the different means of transport used in villages. Now let's come to the question number 6, that is, what are the means of transport used on water? So students, in the answer of question number 6, you will write boats, ferries and ship are the means of transport that are used on water. Now let's come to the last question of this chapter, that is, when do we usually travel by aeroplanes? So in the answer of last question you will write, we use aeroplanes when we need to travel over long distance, and we also use them when we want to reach a place quickly. So students, this was the answer of following question that is given in this chapter. Now let's come to the enrichment corner. Here a project work is given for you. Take the help of an elder in your family to do this project. Go and stand at a safe spot by the side of busy road. Observe the vehicles that run on the road. How many kinds of the vehicles can you see? Note them down. Come back home and make a project on the different kinds of vehicles that run in your city. Draw or paste pictures, write few sentences about each. Share the project with your class. So students, this was project work for you. When the school will open, I will check this project work. Now do practice the remaining exercises of this chapter and learn it. Now your turn to study it and grasp it. Till then, stay safe, stay healthy, keep learning and keep smiling. Thank you students. Bye and take care.